Students, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 12th accountancy, chapter number 6. Okay, we already solved sum number 1, 2. Okay, so what do you mean? This lesson is related to retirement and net of a partner. Retirement means one who retire from his partnership. Okay, that is called retirement partner. So in this chapter we have lot of adjustments. The adjustment of a partner. Okay. Adjustment distribution of accumulated profit and loss, that is not distributed to that profit and losses. Okay, not that is a general reserve, then profit and loss, then workman compensation fund, that then fund also not distributed, that is called accumulated profit and loss. Next one, revaluation of assets and liabilities. What is revaluation of assets and liabilities? After death, some in adjustment, after adjustment, revaluation, that is a increased of assets are increased, assets are decreased, liabilities are increased, liabilities are decreased, that is called some adjustment, that is called some concept in adjustment. In death means after death, some of the assets are increased, some of the assets are decreased, some of the liabilities are increased, some of the liabilities are decreased. Okay, then also adjustment for goodwill, and also at the date of retirement, the company will give some settlement, that is a partial or total. Okay, now the already solved sum number 1 and 2. Now I am going to solve sum number 3. Okay, so in this problem Akash, Mukesh and Sanjay are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2017 is as follows. Liabilities asset. Capital account Akash, Mukesh, Sanjay. That is capital account. In this liability side, we have three information are given: profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve, workman compensation fund. So these three things are transferred to the old partners. We have to divide, we have to share the profit, that is share the transfer to old partner in the old profit share ratio. Okay, so now going to open journal entry. Open journal entry. Okay, so open the journal entry. Okay, problem number 3. Problem number 3. Okay, journal entry. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay, okay, so in this problem you have to open that journal entry, that profit and losses account, date 31st March 2017, 31st March 2017, profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, what is the amount? 12,000. 12,000. Okay, next one. General reserve. What do you mean general reserve? What is profit loss appropriation? That is share of profit to the old partner. General reserve means that is already they have some amount. Okay, for future purpose, future expenses, they already allocate some amount. That is called general reserve account. Debtor. What is amount? 24,000. Okay, next. Workman compensation fund. Workman compensation fund. Account debtor. Okay, so 18,000. 18,000. Okay, so totally what's the amount? So 36, 18, 54. So you have to that amount distributed on the basis of old profit share ratio. What is the old profit share ratio? 3 is to 2:1 in this problem. 3 is to 2:1. So 54,000 into who are the partners? Mukesh, Akash, Mukesh, Sanjay. 3 divided 6. 54,000 into 2 divided 6. 54,000 into 1 by 6. Okay, so 9,000. So 9,000 into 3. 27,000. 27,000. To Akash capital. To Akash capital account. Next to Mukesh capital account. Okay, so 9,000. So 18,000. So 18,000. Okay, so 18,000. Next 1,000. That is to Sanjay's capital. Sanjay's capital account. 9,000. Okay, so to is narration to accumulated loss. Accumulated loss transferred to old partners capital account. Old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this amount transferred to old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, this is the concept. Okay, so in this problem you have to open that capital account also. Okay, so this we had that is a step 1. Okay, channel entry, date particulars, L of debit credit. Okay, profit loss and appropriation account, debtor, generation account debtor, procurement compensation fund account debtor, Akash capital, Mukesh capital, Sanjay's capital. Okay, so this accumulated loss transferred to old partners capital account in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, next. Okay, so this amount transferred to the old partners capital account. Okay, this amount transferred to the old partner capital account, that is capital account. Okay, date, particulars, date particulars, JF, not JF, that is Aghas capital, Aghas, okay, Mukesh, Sanjay, okay, Sanjay, Aghas capital, Mukesh, Sanjay, okay. Then particulars, date is not enough, so no need to open date, okay, because it's not important, okay, date is not important, okay, date is not important, date particulars that Mukesh, Aghas, Sanjay, Aghas, Mukesh, Sanjay, then Aghas, Mukesh, Sanjay, okay, Sanjay, okay. So first one is a capital account. So in your some capital account is there, okay, so that is by credit side, that is credit side, debit side, by balance brought down, opening balance, okay, what is the amount? 40,000, 60,000, then 30,000, 40,000, 60,000, then 30,000, okay. Now, and also you have to give some information, that is workman compensation fund also you have to mention, workman compensation fund, that is that workman compensation fund, general reserve, then public loss appropriation, all the things, all the informations available in assets liability side, so you have to mention in credit side, okay, by profit and loss appropriation, account. What is the amount? 12,000, okay. So 12,000 into 3 by 6, 12,000 into 2 by 6, 12,000 into 1 by 6, okay. So 2,000, so 2,000, okay. So 6,000, then 4,000, then 2,000, okay, 2,000, okay. Next one, general reserve account, general reserve account, okay. So 24,000 you have to, here 24,000, 24,000 into 3 divided 6, 24,000 into 2 divided 6, 24,000 into 1 divided 6, okay. 12,000, then 8,000, then 4,000, 12,000, 8,000, then 4,000, 12,000, then 8,000, then 4,000, okay. Next one, workman compensation fund also you have to distribute it to old partner, workman compensation fund, workman compensation fund. Okay, so that 18,000 you have to distribute to old partner. 18,000. Okay, 18,000 into 3 divided 6. 18,000 into 2 divided 6. 18,000 into 1 divided 6. Okay, so 3,000, 9,000. Okay, 9,000, 3,000, 6,000, then 3,000. Okay, 3,000. Okay, so 9,000, 6,000, then 3,000. And I am going to tally the amount. Okay, so these three things very important. You have to distribute to old partners. Okay, old partners. Okay, so 30,000, then 6, 9, 39,000. Okay, 39,000. 64,000, 72,000, 78,000. Okay, 78,000. Then 46 plus 12, 46 plus 12, 58, that is 67,000. 67,000. Okay, so you have to, here no, that is no balance, that is 2, that is closing balance, that is 2. Okay, so closing balance, that is called, this is step 2. Step 1 journal entry, step 2 ledger account, that is capital account. Okay, 67,000, 78,000, 39,000. Okay, open that is the amount. 67,000, 78,000, 39,000. Okay, so sum number 3 is over. Okay, sum number 3. Now going to open, sum number, going to start, going to solve sum number 4. Revaluation profit and loss. I already told. Assets increase means in relation account, that is that amount appeared in the credit side. Decrease means that amount appeared in debit side. Liabilities are increase means that amount appeared in debit side. Liabilities are decrease means that amount in credit side. Okay, this is the important thing. Okay, so problem number 4. Okay, revaluation of assets and liabilities. The heading, the topic is revaluation of assets and liabilities. Revaluation of assets and liabilities. Okay, okay, first we have to step 1, that is step 1 is called as, here you have to open the revaluation account. Okay, increase the value of building, that is a Roja, Neela, Ganga partners. Roja retired, ratio 4:3:3. The first one increase the value of building by 30,000. First information, that is date, particulars, date, particulars, L of ledger folio, that is debit, credit. Okay, that is debit, credit. Okay, debit, credit. Okay, the first one, increase the value of building by 40,000, 30,000. So what is the journal entry? Assets are increase. I already told assets are increase mean in revaluation account, in journal entry that building account debtor to revaluation account. In revaluation account, that amount appeared in credit side. Okay, so in journal entry, that building account debtor to revaluation account. Okay, in revaluation account. So in other information also, there is no appreciated value. So okay, so you have to complete the transaction to revaluation account. In revaluation account, that is amount is 30,000. Okay, so increase the value of building, increase in the value of building. Okay, next, depreciate stock rupees 5,000, furniture rupees 12,000. Depreciate means reduce the value, and also provide outstanding liability. Provide means that is a outstanding liability, means that is one of the expenses. Provide means and also one of the expensive value. Okay, so that is liability side is increase, means that is one of the loss. Okay, so revaluation account debtor to to stock to machinery to furniture account. Okay, so here 5,000 and 12,000. Okay, and outstanding liability to outstanding liability. These are the losses. These are the losses. Okay, these are the losses. What is the amount? 1,000. Okay, okay, these are the losses. So decrease in the value of assets and liability, increase in the value of liability. Okay, what is the narration? Decrease in the value of assets and increase in the value of liability. Okay, so 12,000, 7,000, 18,000. Okay, totally here 18,000. Okay, so first step is over. And also you have to open the last one is the you have to distribute the capital. Okay, the last step, that is the ledger revaluation account. Okay, particulars, rupees, particulars, rupees. Okay, okay, credit side. So by building 30,000. By building 30,000. Okay, next, then stock 2 because debit side, it is 2, stock 5,000, 2 furniture 12,000, 2 outstanding liability. Liability 1,000. So totally 18,000. So what is the difference? 30,000 minus 18,000, 12,000. Okay, this is the difference. Now you have to distribute that amount to what as capital. So to revaluation profit போட்டு who is the Akash, then Mukesh, then Sanjay. How will you distribute? 12,000 into 3 divided 6. 12,000 into Akash, Mukesh, Sanjay. 12,000 into 2 divided 6. 12,000 into 1 divided 6. Okay. 6,000, then 4,000, then 2,000. Okay, you have to distribute the revaluation profit. This revaluation profit transferred to old partners capital account. Okay, totally 30,000. And here also 30,000. Okay, now the last entry. What is the last entry? Revaluation, that is the last entry. Revaluation account debtor. What is the value? 12,000. To Akash capital. Okay, to Mukesh, then to Sanjay. Okay, so 6,000, 4,000, then 2,000. Okay, so this is the last entry, revaluation account debtor to Akash capital, Mukesh capital, Sanjay capital. Okay, so last transaction. So we have in this problem we have two transaction. One is journal entry, then revaluation account. Okay, so building is increase, these are the decrease value. So these are the difference value 12,000. Okay, so difference rate 12,000. So you have to mention the journal entry also.